And tornadoes are rare in the Pacific Northwest, but one touched down in Washington state. The National Weather Service confirmed a tornado hit Frederickson, Washington yesterday morning around 7. They say winds from the storm had a maximum speed of 110 miles per hour. It hit an industrial park, ripping up the roofs and parking lots of several factories. No injuries were reported from this tornado.
First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, statistically, tornadoes can happen in any state in the United States, but rarely do they happen in the Pacific Northwest, where they have been pummeled with some heavy rain and thunderstorms. Of course, rain pretty typical for places like Seattle, Portland, Oregon, and points to the northwest. But the tornado, that's kind of a rarity for those folks. So at least they saw just a little small taste of what some other parts of the country sees with that kind of weather yesterday. 61 here, all is quiet in southern Kentucky this morning, and all the way around we see only just a few clouds, no rainfall this morning, not even a sprinkle like we had yesterday morning at this hour. The air quality, well, it's still not too bad. We're in the moderate category for the pollen count. It's come up just a little bit with ragweed, grass, and elm. And then, of course, there's still a lot of field cutting going on yesterday around south central Kentucky. Lots of fields being cut, corn and grain, all that. So all that stuff mixes up in the air along with the ragweed, grass, and elm. Ozone and molds are in the low category. UV index is running moderate for today. Here's a look at temperatures now, courtesy of the Kentucky Mesonet Network. We're seeing some upper 50s like E-Town, Campbellsville, Albany, then everybody else in the low 60s here this morning. And a live view from our weather cam high atop Independence Bank down Scottsville Road. And you can see a little bit of daylight breaking through some of the overcast that is out there this morning. Current temperature at 61 degrees. The wind's calm, 98% humidity. The barometer holding steady. We check a few weather cams courtesy of the AAA Systems Network. Greenville at 62 degrees in Muhlenberg County this morning. Munfordville is at 60 degrees currently, after a low of 57 so far this morning. Franklin, you're seeing that little cloud blue sky mix there in Simpson County. Your temperature at 63 degrees. 61 at the Bowling Green Airport. 50s, 60s, close to 70 degrees in the Mid-South region. We're 1 degree cooler than we were at this hour yesterday, but look at the big warm-up off to the north and west of us, where St. Louis is 12 degrees warmer now than they were this hour yesterday. Radar very quiet this morning. A few sprinkles down in southern Tennessee, but the big story where the real weather's been going on, and as Tina was talking about, the tornado yesterday in Washington state, here is Seattle, Portland. They're getting another rush of some strong thunderstorms and heavy rain there. In the higher elevations, even some hint of snow in the forecast. And here you see temperatures 30s and 40s, and that is a big change, and that's part of the change that's coming our direction as we head into the latter part of this week, as you'll see coming up. In the meantime, high pressure is in control of our weather, giving us the cloud cover we're seeing here this morning. A few light rain showers maybe toward the Mississippi River, possible later today and this evening. Overnight tonight, a partly cloudy sky. There could be an isolated shower west of us. This is the first of several disturbances, though, that will move in during the latter part of the week into the weekend that will bring us our next best chance of getting some rain. Mix of clouds and sunshine today, though, and a little bit warmer, high of 81. Tonight, partly cloudy, some patchy fog, and a low of 60. Tomorrow, we'll make it back to 82 with just a slight chance of a late day shower. 83 on Thursday with a chance of a shower or thunderstorm. And by the way, Thursday, the kickoff of the big roller coaster yard sale. All up and down Kentucky 63 through Temple Hill, down through Freedom, then back around Highway 90, the Cordell Hall area of northern Middle Tennessee, and all that runs through Saturday. Unfortunately, you're going to have to dodge a shower or thunderstorm through the weekend, especially Saturday. Looking like some decent rainfall on Saturday, maybe Saturday night after the sale is over, and then much cooler in the 60s after that.